It is the era of digital learning where technology plays a key role in the process of knowledge dissemination. In fact, digital learning platforms in the recent past have significantly changed the face of education. To make learning easy and effective, affordable smart learning apps are available everywhere, including Kerala. These innovative and engaging learning apps help enrich the learning experience for students and revolutionize the teaching process. And for parents, these apps provide a great sense of relief. IERT India's EdMax Learning app is a new entrant in the industry with a vision to bring out the genius in every child with the support of teachers and parents.
ഭയങ്കര ഒത്തിരി ടഫായിട്ടുള്ള വിഷയങ്ങളിലൊക്കെ ഞാൻ ഈ ആപ്പാണ് ഉപയോഗിക്കാറുള്ളത്. ഈ റിവിഷൻ ടൈമിലൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് തന്നെ ഈ ആപ്പിൽ നോക്കി പഠിക്കാൻ പറ്റും.
EdMax is a popular digital learning tool that can be used by teachers, students, and even parents. With EdMax, knowledge is accessible to everyone, everywhere, and anytime.
It's a great app, the very new one which I have seen, and they have really come out with a great innovation. And I think it will really support the teachers as well as students in their learning.
Developed by the Institute of Educational Research and Training, EdMax is an end product for exhaustive research and development.
How do acids and bases react with each other? Bases will undergo neutralization reactions with acids. If sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid, it will form water.
Visual, auditory, logical, and verbal techniques are used to make the learning process an easy one. It is a mammoth educational reserve that hosts resources for teachers, students, and parents. EdMax digital curriculum is designed for students from KG classes to those aiming at medical and engineering entrances. The modules are logically divided into 7 large categories for students of different grades and types of career they want to pursue, for namely EdMax Little Genius for preschool to KG students, EdMax Little Genius Junior for Standard 1 to 4, EdMax Young Genius for Standard 5 to 7, EdMax Super Genius for Standard 8 to 12, EdMax Exam Master for students preparing for exams, EdMax Entrance Master for students preparing for different type of competitive exams like NEET, JEE Main, BITSAT, JIPMER, VIT EEE, NTSE, KVPY, CACPT, etc. EdMax Civil Service for those who aspires to appear IAS and other UPSC related competitive exams.
It helps the teachers to prepare their lessons at home. So it's a very easy to use interactive app which covers almost all the basic concepts of all the classes in all the subjects.
Lessons are presented in form of videos, animations, interactive activities, and challenges. Hence, teachers can make use of EdMax to supplement their teaching and also provide additional exercise to students which help them to improve the difficult content. While the highly interactive sessions help students to learn and understand difficult things with ease, self-assessment tools assist them to evaluate themselves. The offline content can be accessed without internet so that children in remote areas can also make use of it. More importantly, the digital curriculum fosters a better understanding between the parent and child. EdMax is indeed changing the way the world learns by creating a happier and peaceful learning experience. Knowledge is power, and EdMax helps you achieve a promising future.